Hello, folks. Welcome to the channel. You are watching Fun Watch, where we turn boring concepts into interesting ideas. I just reached 300 subscribers, and I'm really happy for the support I got from the YouTube community. I have set a target of 10 likes on this video, and I would be very thankful if I could reach that mark. Anyway, enough wondering about, let's get right into today's topic. 10 hardest languages to learn. The reason these languages are hard to learn is because none of these languages have Germanic language roots. Simply put, these languages are far away from English in terms of origin.
At number 10 comes Polish. Polish is not an easy language to learn. After all, it has 7 cases. But, at the very least, it uses a known alphabet and has fewer sounds, especially for vowels, than English.
Moving on to number 9, Navajo. Navajo is a verb-based language from North America. This means that descriptions are delivered in the form of verbs, and thus most English adjectives do not have a straight Navajo equivalent. It also sounds significantly different, with certain sounds in the language that do not present in English at all, making pronunciation particularly challenging. At number 8 we have Basque. Basque is another language that has little in common with other languages. Basque is unlike any other language in the way it is written and spoken. To make matters more harder, there are at least 5 separate dialects. Number 7. Icelandic. Icelandic isn't quite as challenging as some of the other languages on this list. However, because it is spoken by fewer than 400,000 people on one island and has remained substantially unmodified since the 9th and 10th centuries, it is also quite sophisticated and distinctive. Iceland is one of those countries that invents new words for freshly invented objects rather than using one from English or French. Learning this one would definitely require you to interact a lot with native speakers. At number 6 we have Finnish. Although Finnish resembles English in appearance and sound, it is more sophisticated than English. There's also what you might call classical or traditional Finnish, and then there's how current Finns express themselves, and the two are vastly different. Prepare to be lost in a maze of grammar if you want to learn this one. Moving on to number 5. Hungarian. Hungarian grammar is, in essence, what kills English speakers. There are 26 separate examples in total. Instead of dictating tense and possession through word order, as other European languages do, suffixes are used. Furthermore, like to Japanese, there are strong cultural overtones that can make learning in isolation extremely difficult. Good luck learning this one if you have no Hungarian acquaintances. Next up on the list at number 4 is Korean. Korean is an odd language because it does not appear to be related to any other language. It has its own alphabet, sophisticated syntax, and a variety of other obstacles. It's basically unlike any other language you've ever learnt. Moving on, at number 3 comes Japanese. While it appears that learning Japanese is easier than Mandarin, it has 3 distinct writing systems: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. Each has its own alphabet, and learning thousands of letters is required before you can write anything in Japanese. Next up on number 2 is Arabic. Because most letters are written in 4 different forms depending on where they are put in a word, Arabic presents a hurdle to English speakers. Furthermore, when writing, vowels are not included. But it's not only about writing, it's also about which dialect of Arabic you're studying. There are as many dialects as there are countries that speak Arabic, making it extremely difficult to master. Finally, the top spot goes to Mandarin. The most widely spoken language on the planet, Mandarin, is right at the top. This is a tonal language that is incredibly difficult for an English speaker to master. It's also chock full of idioms, aphorisms, and homophones, making it difficult to learn without also acquiring some culture. Then there's the fact that it has its own alphabet, which makes the task at hand even more difficult if not impossible. So are you planning on learning any of these languages? Comment below. Last but not the least, I am working hard to make these informative videos, and would love to get some ideas from you. Please like the video to let the YouTube algorithm know that this adds value. And please smash the subscribe button, share the video with your friends to know if they are up for the challenge. Until next time, take care.